Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we can know what after 10th and 12th and which course are available after 10th and 12th. Once again welcome to Career Yatra 2024. Medical Science Courses. MBBS Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. BUMS Bachelor of Unanimous Medicine and Science. BHMS Bachelor of Homeopathy Medicine and Science. BNYS Bachelor of Naturopathy and Yogic Science. BEMS Bachelor of Ayurveda Medicine and Science. BSMS Bachelor of Siddhartha Medicine and Science. BDS Bachelor of Dental Science. BVSC and AH Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry. BPT Bachelor of Physiotherapy. Eligibility for medical is second PUC PCB in qualified entrance exam. Engineering courses. Branches in engineering, electronics and communication, civil industrial production, instrumentation technology, industrial engineering and management, environmental science, manufacturing science, electrical and electronics, automobile, biotechnology, construction technology and management, polymer technology, mechanical chemical, textiles, mining, silk technology, biomedical, computer science, aeronautical, carpet technology, medical electronics, ceramics, information science, naval architecture. Eligibility for this is second PUC PCM in qualified entrance exam.
Paramedical Science Courses. BSc Nursing. B Pharma. B Pharma for Women. Pharma and Diploma. BSc Occupational Therapy. BSc Rehabilitation Therapy. BSc Block Banking Technology. BSc Cardiac Care Technology. BSc Cardiac Perfusion Technology. BSc Medical Lab Technology. BSc Clinical Optometry. BSc Respiratory Care Technology. BSc Medical Imaging Technology. BSc Nuclear Medicine. BSc Speech Language and Hearing. BSc Cath Lab Technology. BSc Medical Genetics. BSc Medical Microbiology. BSc Medical Secretarial Service. BSc Emergency Room and Trauma Care. BSc Renal Dialysis. BSc Audiology and Speech Therapy. BSc Radiotherapy. BSc Medical Records Tech. BSc Medical X-ray Technology. BSc Ophthalmic Technology. BSc Physician Assistant. BSc Prosthetics and Orthotics. BSc Prosthetics and Orthotics CNGG. BSc Operation Theatre Technology. Eligibility is SSLC or second PUC. Duration for this course is 3 years for SSLC and 2 years for PUC. Fees depends on courses from 20,000 to 30,000 per year. Industrial Training Institute. ITI. Mechanic in Diesel. Mechanic Tractor. Sheet Metal Worker. Instrument Mechanic. Lab Assistant. In Chemical Plant Machinist in Grinder. Mechanic in Chemical Plant. Mechanic in Ref and AC. Tool and Tire Making Information Technology Draughtsman in Civil Draughtsman in Mechanical Foundryman. Plastic Processing Operator. Operator in Chemical Plant Electronic Mechanic Electroplater. Mechanic in Motor Vehicle. Machinist. Mechanic in Radio and TV. Mechanic MTM. Automobile. Mason. Plumber. Welder. Wireman. Electrician. Carpenter. Fitter. Surveyor. Electrical. Turner. Electronics. Eligibility is SSLC pass. Applied Science Courses. BSc Computer Science. BSc Statistics. BSc Microbiology. BSc Agri-Business. BSc Food Technology. BSc Dietitian and Nutritionist. BSc Fishery Sciences. BSc Oceanography. BSc Home Science. BSc Forestry, BSc Floriculture, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Fashion and Apparel Design, BSc Nautical Science, BSc Maritime Science, BSc Food Design and Production, BSc Home Science, BSc Physics, BSc Bioscience, BSc Geography, BSc Electronics, BSc Biotechnology, BSc Agriculture Science, BSc Sericulture, BSc Wood Science Technology, BSc Environmental Science, BSc Meteorology, BSc Anthropology, BSc Geoinformatics and Science, BSc Horticulture, BSc Dairy Technology, BSc Environmental Management, BSc Animation, BSc Avionics, BSc Aircraft Maintenance, BSc Hospital and Administration, BSc Chemistry, BSc Economics, BSc Instrumentation, BSc Catering Science and Hotel Management. Eligibility is second PUC in PCMB.